Are you searching for the best soldering irons and stations? In this video, we will look at the 5 best soldering irons and stations, which save you time and money. Number 1. New version Silverflo 858060 Soldering Station. 2-in-1 soldering station combines a hot air gun and soldering iron, offering versatile rework and soldering capabilities, digital temperature calibration, precision temperature control with digital calibration for optimal soldering results, 10-minute sleep mode. Automatic sleep mode extends soldering iron tip life and energy efficiency. Brushless blower air delivery. Brushless blower ensures smooth airflow for precise hot air rework. Customizable power supply.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. JCD 2-in-1 750W Soldering Station. JCD 2-in 750W Soldering Station LCD Digital Display Welding Rework Station for Cell Phone BGA SMD PCB IC Repair Solder Iron Tools, Hot Air Heater and Welding Iron 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station. Dual LCD digital displays to show precision temperature, extremely low noise and space-saving design. Intelligent self-detection function features safe personal operation. Automatic cooling function for effectively prolonging the heater's life and protecting the hot air heater.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. YIHUA 995D SMD Soldering Station. YIHUA 995D SMD Soldering Station with pluggable hot air gun soldering iron BGA rework station phone repair welding station.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. JCD 858060 Soldering Station. This is a brand new 2-in-1 SMD rework soldering station 8586. Alloy metal body with high-quality silicone shell features elegant appearance and power saving. You can use hot air gun and soldering iron separately, with no interference with each other. Because of the handle with sensor switch, the system can quickly access operating mode while gripping handle. Meanwhile, the system will transfer to standby mode while handle released. Especially suitable for mounting and reworking SMD components by hand. Really a must-have.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. YIHUA 982 Rapid Heating C245 Soldering Iron Staion. YIHUA 982 Rapid Heating C245 Soldering Iron Staion Welding Rework Station born for precision soldering.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.